If you're trying to build an HR system that scales with your business, this quick guide will save you weeks of trial and error. I tested the most popular platforms, mapped out the common bottlenecks growing companies face, and by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly how to set up an HR system that grows with you, without becoming bloated or unmanageable. The biggest mistake most companies make? They either overbuild their HR system too early, or they wait too long and end up scrambling with spreadsheets and manual tasks. You need a balance, a flexible system that works now and evolves with your team size. Start by identifying your core HR needs. If you're under 20 employees, focus on the essentials: hiring, onboarding, time off, payroll, and compliance. Anything more than that is overkill. Use this as your foundation. Then choose software that's built to scale. I tried all the big names: Gusto, Bamboo HR, Zenefits, Rippling, and hands down, Rippling was the easiest to scale without needing to rebuild the whole thing later. It lets you automate hiring workflows, syncs with payroll, manages compliance, and adds modules only when you need them. If you want to follow along, I've linked an exclusive free trial just for my channel viewers in the description. Once you've chosen your system, start with templated processes. Create reusable onboarding checklists. Preload offer letter templates. Set up automatic reminders for probation periods and benefit eligibility. These small systems prevent human error and reduce manual follow-up as you grow. Next, implement permission-based access. You don't want every manager or team lead seeing sensitive salary or employee data. Choose a tool that lets you customize visibility by role, department, and geography. Scalability also means decentralizing without losing control. Build manager self-service tools for time-off approvals, org charts, and performance reviews. This avoids bottlenecks where HR becomes the go-between for every little thing. Another tip: integrate your HR system with your other core tools: Slack, email, accounting software, project management platforms. The fewer tabs your team needs to switch between, the more productive they'll be. Finally, track metrics early. Even if you're a small team now, define your KPIs, like time to hire, employee turnover, or time off usage. Good systems let you measure these without hiring a full-time analyst later on. The key takeaway? A scalable HR system isn't about having every feature from day one. It's about building a flexible foundation with automation, permissions, and integrations that adapt as you grow. Quick recap: identify only what you need right now. Pick software that adapts as you scale. Rippling is my top pick. Automate repetitive tasks early. Use permissions and decentralize HR actions. Integrate with your existing tools. Track useful metrics from day one. If you want a shortcut, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It'll give you hands-on access to the exact system I'd use if I was starting over today. That's it. Now you know how to build an HR system that scales with your business.